strong and moist curls, you're going to start with a deep conditioner of your choice. Here I'm using Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Water Penetrating Hair Treatment. The star of this treatment is what you'll be adding to it. 1 tablespoon of organic amla powder. Then I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of my DIY Amla Hibiscus oil. In a previous video, I shared how this oil mix is the key to prevent my scalp from itching all throughout wash day. Now while I mix, let me share a word on using herbs in your hair care routine. I wholeheartedly believe that what God created is best. He's put such wonderful elements here on earth to help us maintain healthy bodies. Over time, mankind has decided it was a good idea to use certain other elements to improve upon what was already perfect. Pesticides were used to kill off bugs, which are actually a part of this great world's ecosystem. Of course, nobody wants bugs in their products or foods, so I understand why pesticides are used. However, these pesticides are very toxic to the human body. Now, you don't have to use organic herbs, but I highly recommend spending the extra couple of dollars to ensure any herbs you use are as pure as possible. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled programming. While you're mixing up your deep conditioner with the amla added, you may notice that the mixture is a little too thick. This can be remedied by adding a little bit of water. I added about 2 tablespoons off camera. After freshly washing my hair, this is how I thoroughly apply this mixture. Now I'm going to let this dry for about 30 minutes. No plastic cap required. Look at how hydrated and defined yet stretched my curls are. So it's your turn now. Add a tablespoon of amla to your deep conditioner and see if your hair doesn't feel softer, and moist and moisturized. I'll wait. Nah, come back and let me know. Thanks for watching.